Hello children, today we will be discussing about the adjective clause. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes noun. Now look at these sentences. The family that lives next door hails from Australia. So that lives next door is the clause, but this clause is actually describing the family. Right? I have a dog that follows me everywhere. So that follows me everywhere is describing the quality of the dog. That is famous for its roses. What is it? The garden. So this particular clause is describing the garden. Who helped me find the way? Who is that person? It's the policeman. So this particular clause is describing the police. So the clauses which actually describe the noun in the sentence are known as adjective clauses. Okay, in worksheet number 9, we will be using adjective clauses. This is the picture of Lena City. It's a beautiful hill station. You can just see there's a waterfall, there are houses made up of wood, there's a forest also. So let's see, this is a famous Shiv temple. And these are the words given in the 8 box which you will be using to complete the sentences. So when we have to describe about Shiv temple, we'll say it is built in 17th century. So like that. So let's do the letter. Hi Priya, guess where I'm writing from? I'm in Lena City. It's a small hill station which is in the east of India. The scenic beauty here is simply breathtaking. To the north of the city is a waterfall which is a delight to view. People live in houses that are made of wood. In the west is Girwar forest which is rich in wildlife. The people here are friendly and helpful. They are very religious too. The famous Shiv temple, which was built in 17th century, is on the outskirts of the city. Gauri volcano, which is now inactive, is in the northwest. It has a huge crater. The city is sparsely populated. I'm sending some pictures of the place on WhatsApp. With love. So all the clauses which we have filled here are all adjective clauses. Now let's look at worksheet number 10. We'll be completing this by adding suitable adjective clauses. First one is done for you. Vishal, who is being chased by a dog, can run really fast. Here the castle which is on the hill. The castle which is on the hill is very ancient. The castle which is shown in the picture is very ancient. Next one, what is the name of the girl who is wearing glasses, or who is having a beautiful smile, or who is standing in that corner? This is the book which belongs to Rohan, which is written by Ruskin Bond, which was lost 2 days ago, which is to be submitted to teacher for correction. This is the desert, which is the largest desert in the world, or where only camels are found, or where it's very hot. This is the house which is haunted, because you can see bats are flying, cracks are there, leaves are scattered everywhere in a pattern. So it can be a haunted, Haunted, haunted house. This is the house which is deserted. This is the house where nobody lives. I have a box which is full of chocolates, which is gifted by my uncle. It is the weather in which most of the people fall sick, or which makes people sick. This is the tree which gives blessings, or which is a wish tree. Next is the noun clause.